already says, GoPro Hero 5. Nice, short, quick review here. What we're doing is the home suite. Do a lot of really good accessories. And this is the Hero 5 triple charger. So, you get 2 batteries. I've numbered mine, just so I know which battery's which. And, you know, it's quite straightforward. In they go. The charge up, the GoPro one seems to be the other way around. There we go. And it's USB-C. We all like USB-C. You get another cable. You should have plenty of those by now. And what you're getting for your money. So let's take the official battery out. These are rated at 1500 milliamps. Whereas the official GoPro battery is lower, I believe, 1220 milliamps. So what I'm going to do now is pop on screen the test results, which are in favour of the GoPro battery, even though it's got lower milliampage capacity on the battery. I was expecting these to outperform them. Now, I've only ran these for about 3 or 4 cycles. What I've found with the official GoPro batteries is they do like to have 4 or 5 cycles through them, use them 4 or 5 times, complete discharge, fully recharge. But compared to charging times, it's about 20 minutes or so quicker, even with all 3 batteries in, including the official GoPro battery, when you've got this plugged in. So, you know, it's got a nice little display on it when you plug it in. He says looking around for a power bank, so I could show you. So what we're quickly going to do is a quick cut. I'm going to go and get a power bank so you can just see the display. Okay, here we are. Now I know 2 of these should be charged. Maybe. Let's have a look. Dusty power bank. Okay, and it's very simple. LED display, and it will just happily charge your batteries in, I think it's about 2 hours, I think it was. So, you know, it's a little bit quicker than charging it through the GoPro. That was using a power bank as well. I think I got it down to about an hour and a half if I was plugging it into the mains and using it down that way. But what I found really useful with this is it's a great way of storing your batteries. So you can put it in your kit. And, oh, my favourite part. Oh, yeah. So it's just a great way of storing your batteries as well, because they sit in there really well, pretty tight. And it's all good. So output 700 milliamp by 3, input 5 volts, 2.1 amp. So if you are charging it, say you're on the road, you're charging it from your car or camper van, then you want to make sure you're using 2 amp output on your USB. But either way, that's it, plain and simple. Stats on screen. I think it's about time for screen stats here. So we're just going to have the stats. We've got one there, all the stats. And take care, guys, and see you soon.